Hi everyone and welcome to my brand new Lego room.
At last, after all my years of searching, the Cave of Wonders.
I recently changed homes and one of the main reasons for it was the small size of my previous Lego room. Yes, it's true. That Lego room could only hold 5 Billy showcases and one of it could only be half used. The assembly area also occupied a large part of it and needed to be simplified and improved.
Athlete? Stan, your son's a geek.
What? No, that can't be!
This new Lego room, as you can see, can be equipped with as many as 10 showcases, giving me at least twice the room available from my previous room. Which at the speed that I'm currently building shall give me 2, maybe 3 years of building space. This was, and still is, a massive and very expensive endeavor that I'm currently involved.
Well, you'll probably want the accessory kit, holster,
Oh yeah,
bandolier,
baby.
silencer, loudener.
But I'm very happy with it. So far, almost all my mocks are still exposed to the air, so I'll still have problems with dust. Currently, I keep all my tanks and cannons stored in the only enclosed cabinet. I'm actually very proud of these bushes. It's a small separate type of cabinets that they have different types of sizes. The small ones, mediums and large ones. And as you can see, I can have all my parts divided by colors, by types, and I can decide the sizes as well. And you can even put divisions here on this direction, this direction. It's very easy to customize.
I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
They are a bit expensive. Just a single segment of this one can cost around 30 euros. Plus the parts to divide, like these ones, for example. But yeah, they work very well. And I have already a very interesting stash here. My beloved curved slopes. And even more here.
This is the Gentle Art stamp collecting. Here's a pile of stamps. Now this is a loaded handgun. And what we're going to do now is kill ourselves because this is horrible.
I just love the sound. And in here, this one will be for to divide parts and to keep more separate parts here. White ones, black ones, yellow, red parts, and so on. And the usual mix of parts that I use more for structural reasons. I also have some cups here as well.
This is it! Here it comes! Here it comes! Hey! Oh my god, that's so cool!
And coming from my previous room, I have here this one's also from IKEA, lots and lots of reddish, dark bluish gray parts. So I'm very happy with this solution.
Morty Smith, you're the best player on earth and you can have anything. What do you want next?
And in here we can see all the planes. So I have modern Spanish planes here, or at least post World War II. Netherlands planes from World War II, Italians, French, from Yugoslavia, the display that I made last year. And then we have the Spanish Civil War display here and here, with some ships from other teams, some of the ships from the Russo-Japanese War and Spanish Civil War, and then again more ships from different teams. Also, you might have noticed this house is still being finished, so I still need to close this thing for the electricity.
Anyway, I hate to interrupt. I know you're very busy. Is there any way you could finish this area? I'm kind of in the middle of something.
And as well, another interesting thing is, yeah, nothing here. My idea is to put another Vjalkilch, or whatever is the name, IKEA cabinet here that will allow me to have ships 2.4 meters long here. And yeah, the idea was this, but they are no longer in production, or at least they don't exist anymore. So I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. I'm getting so frustrated.
It's delayed.
Oh no! Anyway, last week...
Because, yeah, it's very nice to have this emptiness here in the room. Yeah. And I still have some ships here waiting to be put here when they have their own time. Another thing that it's interesting, I have purchased this. I haven't had enough time to assemble. Some that I also bought from IKEA. The idea is to put them here. So two very long ones, almost 2 meters long, with 20 meters in gap. That will allow me to keep smaller planes like these ones in quantity. This room also has another advantage, because as you can see, I still have this empty space here with this poster, and I can put even another one here to another billiard showcase, and I can put here to increase the space available. Plus those plates there to keep to have more room for even more planes.
No!
The Ace Comet Raven. I left it here. Very nice. And in here a few more. Yeah. Another interesting thing that I really like in this room is that, as you can see, I have a lot of room to put like some sort of table with some here, a very long one that can be removed, which will allow me to make, for example, ships as long as 5 meters long and divide them in sections and then send them whatever they need to be exhibited. I also have here an IKEA cabinet, backed and parts, lots of tiles, tents, whites, and reddish ones, also lots of them. So I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment or a like. It takes a second and it helps me a lot. I'm planning to make many more videos in the future in this room. I have lots of ideas for it, so subscribe as well.
All right, Rick, I'm gonna go to my... not so fast, Morty. You heard your mom. We've got adventures to go on, Morty. Just you and me.
Thank you, and see you again next time.